Name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to learn arithmetic sequence, and by using arithmetic sequence to find the nth term and find the sum of the terms. First of all, we want to know what is arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where it has a common difference same. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is a sequence. So there is a common difference between of them. We are adding always to get the next term. So the common difference is a constant. It is not changing. So this is arithmetic sequence. So if we want to find the nth term in, for example, they will ask you to find the 15th term, find the 40th term. So how can we find? We need to use this rule. So in this rule, you need to understand what is A. A is the first term, n is the number of term, which term you are going to find, 15th term or 20th term, whatever. What is D? The difference, as I showed you here. D always the constant, same in arithmetic sequence. Okay, there is also a formula for sum. A and D, the same thing. A is first term, n is the number of term, D is the difference. Now look at the question. These are the questions. First we will find the nth term, then we will find the 15th term. In this question here, the 15th term is given, the common difference is given. We will find the first term and 10th term. Okay, next question. Second term is 7, 8th term is 25. Find the common difference and the first term, and also we will find the nth term. And here we have to find sum of the terms. First 20 term, what is the sum of the first 20 term? This is the sequence. First term, second, third, fourth term. What is the sum of the first 20? Yani 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14 plus so on up to the 20th term. How to find? We will use the formula. So we will try to solve these questions, and just you need to concentrate. Look at the first thing. I'm going to solve this question. Find the formula from the nth term and find the 15th term. First we have to find the nth term. We know the formula. A-N or U-N, same, no problem. U-N, I will write the formula A plus N minus 1 into D. N we don't know because the number of term. A is given, the first term, which is 3 plus N minus 1. What is the D? What is the difference? 3 plus what equal 9, which is 6. 9 plus what equal 15? 6. 15 plus what equal 21 is 6. So the D is 6. Now UN, which is equal 3 plus. Now D multiply N. D is 6. Sorry, wait, I didn't write 6. D is 6. 6 multiply N, 6N. 6 multiply 1, 6. So UN equal 6N minus 3 minus 6, which is equal minus 3. So this is what? This is the nth term. This is nth term. Okay, we will find the 15th term. 15 is the number of term. What is n? If n is 15, 6 multiply 15, because 6 and n are multiplying with each other, minus. So 6 times 15, 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 1, 6 plus 3 is 9 minus 3. So 90 minus 3, which is equal 87. This is our 15th term. Now look at the second question. I will raise this one. Second question is the 5th term. It means U5, which is 20, and the common difference D equals 6. Find the first term. Okay. We know the formula UN, which is equal A plus N minus 1 into D. So it is the 5th term. So if N is 5, so 5th term is given, which is 20. A plus N is 5th term minus 1. The difference is given, which is 6. Let us simplify. A plus 5 minus 1 equal 4. Multiply 6. 20 equal A. 6 times 4, 24. So 24 is plus. When go other side, it will be minus. So A equal 20 minus 24. So A equal minus 4. So this is the first term, which is minus 4. Okay, now the first term we got it. Now we will find the 10th term. Okay, we will use the same formula. We will find the 10th term because we have everything, just we will replace. n is 10, a is the minus 4, n is the number of term which is 10, minus 1, d is 6. So simplify, minus 4 plus 10 minus 1, 9. 9 multiply 6, 54. So which is equal 50. U10 mean 10th term equal 50. I hope it is clear. Okay, now look at question number 3. In question number 3, the second term mean U2, which is 7, and 8th term mean U8, which is equal 25. Find the common difference. So what is the nth term formula? Un equal a plus n minus 1 into d. So if it is n is 2, so if n is 2, 7, a we don't know, n is 2 minus 1, and d also we don't know. 7 equal a plus 2 minus 1 equal 1. 1 multiply d equal d. So this is the one equation. Now we will use this one. So which is equal the 8th term. 8th term is 25. A plus what is n is 8 minus 1 into d, because we don't know d. 25 equal a plus 8 minus 1, 7. 7 multiply d, 7d. So these two equations are, we got it. Now by using these are simultaneous equation, we will find the common difference and the first term by solving these equations. Okay, we will subtract the first from the second one. 25 equal a plus 7d minus 7 equal a plus d. If you will subtract, the sign will change. So we will get 25 minus 7, which is equal 18. So a minus a cancel, 7 minus 1 equals 6d. So d equal 18 divide 6. So d equal 3. If we have d, we can find a. Just replace d with 3. So 7 equal a plus 3. D is 3 as we got it here. So a equal 7 minus 3. So a equal 4. This is our answer. What is the common difference? Which is 3. What is the first term? Which is equal 4. Okay, now we will find the nth term formula. I will leave it for you. You will use this formula to find the nth term as I solved already. Okay, let's go to the next question. Look at the next question. Find the sum of the first. What is the formula to find the sum? Sn equal n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d and brackets. So what is n? The 20, the first 20 terms. What is a? 5, the first term. What is d? The difference between each term. Okay, we will substitute to get the sum. Sn, n is the 20, first 20 terms, n is 20 over 2. 2 point mean multiply, a is 5, n is 20 minus 1, d difference is 3. Let us simplify. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 2 times 5 also 10. 20 minus 1 is 19. Multiply by 3. So 19 times 3, 27, 57. So 57 plus 10, which is equal 67. 67 multiply 10 equals 667. 70 S20. So 20th term is 670. This is our answer. Find the sum of first 20 terms. This is our answer. I hope you understand. Look at the next question. Let me raise this one. The next question is, first term is given. The first term is 12. They are asking the common difference is 4. This is A, this is D. Find the sum of first 30 terms. N is given. So just we will replace in formula. N is 30. 30 divided by 2. 2 multiply A is the first term, which is 12, plus N. What is N? 30 minus 1. What is D? Is 4. Simplified, 30 divided by 2 is 15. 12 multiplied to 24. 30 minus 1, 29. 4. Now just you will simplify by using calculator. You will get the answer. Okay. Now look at the next question. In the next question, they gave you again A, D and N. You will find Sn. The same thing. Just you will substitute Sn. What is N? 25 over 2. 2 times A is 50. N is 25 minus 1. What is D? The difference minus 3. Then 25 over 2. Okay. Sn is 25, which is given. Okay. Then bracket 2 times 50 is 100. Plus 50 minus 4 is 24. Multiply minus 3. This is multiplying. So just put in calculator. We will get the answer. I hope you understand. I'm not wasting time. Just I want to make you understand the concept. Look at this question. This is a word problem question. In this question, a person climbs a staircase where each step is 2 centimeter higher. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. It is a constant, which is D. So this is D. The first step mean A. A and is what is the height of the 15th step? We will find the 15th step. So look here, we will use the number of term because the nth term formula. So Un, which is equal A plus N minus 1 into D. So N is 15. So U 15, 15th term we want to find. A is the first term, which is 10. N is 15 minus 1, the D is 10. So 10 plus 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 times 10, 140. 140 plus 10, 150. So 15th step is 150 centimeter. Okay. Now they are asking what is the total height to climb the 15 steps. You will add the first step 10 plus 12 plus 14 like that, because the first one is 10, next one is 12, the next one is 14, up to 150 you will add. So we will use the sum of terms formula. So what is the sum of terms formula? Sn equal n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is n? 15th step. So 15 divided by 2. 2 times a. What is a? The first step, which is 10. 2 dot mean multiply, don't forget, plus n is 15 minus 1 d, the difference, which is 2. Now 15 divided by 2. 2 times 10 is 20 plus 4. 15 minus 1, 14. 14 times 2, 28. Okay, then 15 over 2 bracket 20 plus 28 is equal to 48. So 48 divided by 2, which is equal 24. So 24 multiplied by 15. 24 multiplied by 15, which is equal 15 times 4, 60. 15 times 2, 30. 30 plus 6, 36. So this is our answer. So the total height is 360 centimeter. I hope you understand and it is clear. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment.